Hi, my name is Tejas. I'm working as an assistant executive in this company called Danfoss in the Department of Internal Communication and CSR. I had recently attended the workshop conducted by Paddy on investments and stocks. So this workshop was actually one-day workshop was actually what do you say? It gave me a lot of insight and value on what the basics of stocks and investments are. I had absolutely no clue on what it was earlier. So this workshop gave me a very broad overview of actually what a stock investment, the terminologies in the market mean. So that is something which is very interesting actually, and very basically seen about it in the movies and all, but not known much about it. The other important thing which was taught in the workshop was about wealth creation, that most people are in need of money at a very short span of time, but actually what really matters is investing in a stock which can provide for a long period of time. So I think that point is a very valuable point which I learned in the workshop. The investing now can actually help me get a lot more profits, and it can help me get financially stable 20, 30 years later. So that's probably one thing a lot of people don't understand. That's one thing which I got from the workshop. One thing that I definitely am planning to do after attending this workshop is trying to save some money every month and invest that portion of money exclusively in the stock market. Obviously, this will take a long period of time, and we got to know that we definitely have to provide some time daily to follow the market and all. So I would definitely try to do my best so that 20, 30 years down the line, I am financially stable and I do not have to worry about anything. Thank you.